I'm frequently asked in terms of wastewater, well, how much is produced and what do we do with it? And I've put a little chart here to say, well, typical 1,000 finisher pig production, biological air scrubber will produce more wastewater. It requires more fresh water, 915 cubic meters a year. It will produce around 515 cubic meters of wastewater. The byproduct is ammonium nitrate, running at around the pH of 7, and the nitrogen content of that is 2.8 kilograms. A chemical air scrubber, on the other hand, will need less water and produce less wastewater, 664 for the same amount, 646 for the same amount of animals, and producing 64 cubic meters of wastewater. The byproduct of this is ammonium sulfate, which runs at around the pH of 3 to 4. The nitrogen content is about 36.8. It's basically doing more binding, therefore producing more nitrogen from the process. And how we manage this will very much depend on what is permitted. You know, if we're going to spread it across the land as an organic fertilizer, then the management of it will be typically to treat the chemical wastewater with lime to neutralize the pH before spreading it. And if you can't do that, then it'll usually have to go off and be treated by a wastewater management company. So in conclusion, that's a very quick summary of what current air scrubbing is about.